how to actually create a form is really easy. You go in your Gmail to form, docs, form, and then it's just questions, for example. Now, because a pandorabot is really good at answering things that it knows what it's talking about, it's good sometimes to ask several questions for one answer. This is what reversed AMIL does, but we're not going to look at that. We're looking at it from a practical point of view in terms of language learning. So I think it's a good idea to get them to ask several variations of the same question. So the first thing I put in is the answer. Okay, and I'm going to put the, it's going to be a text. It's going to be a required question. Okay, simple, no? Next, I'm going to go to edit, sample question 2. Actually, this is, I'm going to copy that. I'm just going to copy that. I'm going to call this one question 1. This one is question 2. Ooh, I forgot. This should be, all of these should be required questions. So let's go to question 2, edit it, make it a required question. There we go. And now that it's a required question, I'll copy it 1, 2, 3 times. This one's called question 3. This one's called question 4. And duplicate it. And this one's called question 5. Now, that's done. All these are required questions. Now here's the answer. Now we're going to go to the publish thing right now. And here's what we have. We have the answer, for example. Don't want that to be the answer. I want the answer to be pancakes. And then what's your favorite breakfast food, etc., etc., etc. Now I can't submit it until I answer all the questions. So that way they don't mess around with your actual database. Okay, does that make sense? Hope so. Cheers.